LG monitor stands come in many different designs depending on your specific model. Understanding your monitor's unique attachment system is crucial before attempting removal. Always consult your monitor's owner's manual first. You can download the specific manual for your model from the LG website to get the exact removal instructions. Most LG monitor stands consist of two main parts: a base that sits on your desk and a neck or body that connects the base to the monitor itself. Safety is paramount when removing your monitor stand. Always lay the monitor face down on a soft, padded surface to prevent scratching the screen during the removal process. The key to successful stand removal is understanding the specific attachment mechanism your monitor uses. This could be screws underneath the base, clips that need to be pressed, or a lock lever that slides to release. Remember, each LG monitor model may use a different combination of these mechanisms. Taking time to identify your specific attachment system before starting will save you time and prevent potential damage to your monitor. LG monitor stands consist of two main parts: the base and the neck or body. Let's see how to remove each part systematically. Step 1. Remove the base. Look for a screw underneath the base of the stand. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen and remove the base completely. Step 2. Remove the neck or body. The method varies depending on your monitor model. Let's explore the most common approaches. For smaller monitors, typically 22 inches and under, look for a small clip mechanism. Use a flat-tip screwdriver to push down on the clip, then pull the stand out. For larger monitors, typically 27 to 29 inches, the stand may have screws hidden under a cosmetic cover. Carefully remove the cover to access the screws, then unscrew to detach the stand. Newer monitor models may feature a lock lever mechanism. With the monitor face down, locate the lock lever near the stand attachment. Slide it to unlock, then pull the stand upwards. Important safety tips: always be patient and avoid using excessive force. If the stand seems stuck, gently wiggle it left and right while pulling upwards. Check for any missed clips or screws before applying more pressure.